Everyone, welcome back. In today's video update here for Gala, we are trading at 0.04629. 24-hour volume, we're down 16%, and market cap, we're down 4%. All right, so taking a look at our short immediate of 4-hour chart here, it is a little frustrating here to see for Gala that the sideways price action. So we are consolidating in this trend itself, and we are coming down to an area of support, resistance, and then just retested our area of support in the last 4 hours. So if we clue in into this last candlestick, same thing in our Jasmine video here, we have the body itself a little bit higher than the actual 50% of the candlestick range itself, and this huge long candlestick wick at the very bottom. So it does show that the buyers are aggressive in this 4-hour time frame, and we are seeing it in this open of our next new candlestick. So we may see the price come up depending on how aggressive our indicators are and the audience that is drawn to Gala today. Now, we do see the stock RSI at the very top here. The blue line is our K line and our orange line is our D line. So when we see this crossover here, most importantly below our 20%, we are considered as oversold, and there may be a buying opportunity here once we see these two lines cross over. If we're looking for a strong trend to come up to this area of resistance at the 4801, ideally what we're looking for is these two lines after it crosses over in this 4-hour time frame, immediately separate. So we can see here the crossover, we can see these two lines separate, and then if we take a look at where that crossover here, we were able to come up to the area of resistance and then pull it out at here. Now notice whenever the price moves sideways, we do have a lot of our candlestick wicks being very aggressive at the very top here and at the very bottom. It's only until we're able to either break out in the downtrend or break up in an uptrend, and this temporary pause of this consolidation will end. Now, this is going to be a resistance line here as short-term resistance at 50%. We've already closed below our 50 moving average, which is this orange line here. 1, 2, 3, and possibly 4, depending on how this 4-hour candlestick results in. So if we do continuously close below our 50 MA, it is a trendsetter here, and we may be in dangers of actually crossing and closing below the consolidation line here, or our support line at 38% of our fib at 4526, and we may see Gala come down into this area of supply using our volume profile, which is these blue and yellow notes off to the side here. Now we do see we are in our third wave of our MACD indicator, which does measure momentum. We can see that our MACD line, which is this blue line, and our orange signal line is getting further away. So if we're able to, see these two lines come together, it is going to show us that the trend itself is minimizing and possibly closing above the 50 MA. And if we're going to close above the 50 MA, again, we need continuous candlesticks to represent the trend strength to come up to this area of resistance, but most importantly, again, closer to this resistance line here at 4801. So it is a little frustrating to see that the trend in a 4-hour time frame is a ranging trend, because it can either be a temporary pause of this current uptrend we saw on February 13th, or it could be a complete reversal on a downside coming down to our 23% or our next area of our fib retracement, but our next area of supply and demand, again, using the profile volume. So that's quite my video. That's a quick video here showing you guys just a few things to look at. Be cautious again if you see the price come down to the 4526, because it is going to be another retest of this area of support. But definitely let me know what you guys think down below. Thanks so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, but I'll see you next time.